Today's project is I have to put a receptacle on this wall above the future countertop. You see there's a stud right there. I'm going to try to go in this bay here. Before I cut or drill anywhere, I've got to go down to the basement and make sure this is all going to work. I got to measure from the center of this wall to the plumbing that goes down through the floor. I'm going to go down to the basement, take that same measurement back, and see what's underneath this wall before I drill through it.
Hey guys, just wanted to jump in real quick and say if you got questions on this project, put them down in the comments. I'll be sure to read them and answer them. Got lots of projects coming this summer. Some big, some small, some massive. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you could, hit that like button down below. This line of nails here is where the wall is, so we should be all clear to come down. The wall I have to go into is right there. You can see the nail line, but there is quite a bunch of nails. I'm going to double check to make sure that this is going up into the wall and not up into the floor. And I believe I'll be drilling right around there, back down to go up to get power from another bathroom outlet. We were lucky. Oh, jeez. I don't need that much up here. So this is repair. I have to fix it. So there's a lot of sanding. Doesn't look like they use tape. So we got to tape it. This side over here too. I don't think there's any tape at that joint. This whole corner out of this cabinet to go around. Well, maybe I won't have to cut the whole corner out. There used to be a tub here, that's what this is for. So maybe I'll just cut a big notch out so that this can slide over that drain and those supply lines. I won't have to remove the corner. I thought it was more in the corner. It's time to cut the back and bottom out of this cabinet to slide over this plumbing. It's time to spray on the orange peel texture. It's going to give you a little rundown of what's already here. This wall here has something that looks like that. This wall here, it's a little heavier globules. Over here we've got some big globs that look like they got lightly knocked down. But this is a heavy orange peel with a lot of coverage. This is the texture that I'm using. Orange peel, should be water based, that means it'll clean up. I'll get my settings figured out behind a cabinet and then move into this area here, making circular patterns. Then I'll move these cabinets, move this over and do that little section there. Shake it up good. You can put this in a sink full of warm water to get the pressure going a little bit higher and thin it down a little bit. Looking good, looks perfect. I've got some pencil marks because I'm not texturing that and I'm not texturing that. I'm just doing the exposed areas. That is a little too high, but
There we go. Ooh. These things aren't consistent. So you can start and stop. Wipe off the tip. Perfect. This is going to come out perfect. So this might be as far as I'm taking it. I think the customer is going to be painting. They say they're going to tack the filler strips 1, 2, and 3. Hold them off the wall a little bit so that the drawers don't rub. And they're going to get a countertop for there and there. And maybe I'll get some footage of that when that's done. As of right now, those cabinets are still not in, and I'm expecting a call to come install them. If you're in this line of work, I highly suggest you check out the Handyman Business YouTube channel. I've been putting out a lot of videos over on that channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.